Hey everyone, welcome back to Vital Creations. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to easily mine Solana using the Solanix mining bot. Step 1 is to access the Solanix mining bot. Click the Solanix mining bot link in the description below. You'll be directed to Telegram, where you should join the official Solanix group, only if prompted. Once you're in, click Start to activate the bot. Step 2 is to begin mining Solana. After activating the bot, your mining session will start automatically. You'll be able to view your current Solana balance and mining progress. Keep the bot open in Telegram so you can track your earnings in real time. Step 3 is to boost your mining speed. Tap the Buy Boost option in the bot, then use Kraken to purchase a boost. After your transaction is completed, your mining rate will increase, helping you earn more SL per hour. Step 4 is withdrawing your earnings. Navigate to the withdraw section in the bot, enter your Solana wallet address, confirm the withdrawal, and wait for your transaction to be processed. That's it. You've now successfully set up Solana mining on Solanix. Keep mining, use Boost to maximize your earnings, and withdraw your rewards when you're ready. I really hope this helped. If it did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.